All right, if you're going to be traveling abroad, this is a perfect item to take with you. If you want to charge your devices, this is really neat to carry with you. Included, they give you a carrying case, a lot of fuses with it because you might be able to burn them out, or it might not be the voltage that you require, or might protect your actual devices itself. All right, if you guys can see, there's plenty of room in here. There's one for the fuse right here. The fuses go here, and the extra spare fuse will go on the other side. So if you have fuses like this, they also include them with there, right? So you have that spare fuse and you got the main fuse in here. And here's where all the actual systems are going to come out, all the outlets come out. And it's basic. You just push the one that you want, you push it down, and you completely come out, and then you connect it to the wall outlet. Everything's flexible. It goes internal. You don't have to worry about anything breaking. It goes back in there. The US one's back in there, if you guys can see that. And you just push the button, it goes back in there. Now, all the connections opened up as soon as you actually push the buttons down. They actually set up for the proper one in here. And right now, if you can see, it has a UK, Australia, US, and UE. All right, so those are the only ones that you have available. And then on top of it, you have your adapter and your converter in here. All right, maximum voltage 220 to 40. If you guys see 220 to 240, if you guys can see that. All the connections, very simple to adapt anything. So you'll be able to connect your basic adapter for your iPhone, your iPad, and into this plug in here. And then of course, it converts it back to whatever plug you're traveling to. Right now, currently we have the US. We're able to plug anything in the US and charge it up too. So we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works with the US, because we're not abroad right now. We're gonna do a test with the US devices, and that's the only way we could demonstrate how it works.
All right, guys, let's test this out with the USA one, see if it works. Okay, we got it on the US plug. We're gonna plug it in there, plug in our phone charger, see if it works. Let's plug it into the phone, see if it's charging. And boom, you can see it's charging right there.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.